Most people think Japanese consonants are difficult, but guess what? They're actually simpler than English. Once you understand these basic patterns, reading and pronouncing hiragana becomes super easy. Japanese consonants are clean and consistent. In English, one consonant can have many different sounds. Think of C in cat and city. But in Japanese, almost every consonant has just one clean sound.
No surprises, no exceptions.
The basic consonant plus vowel pattern. Japanese sounds are built like Lego blocks. Most hiragana follow a simple pattern. Consonant plus vowel. Like
ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
You always know what to expect. Some consonants change slightly but stay easy. A few sounds look irregular, but they're actually very natural to say. Saline,
shi,
instead of s.
si.
Taline, chi, instead of
T.
Taline, su, instead of tu. These aren't exceptions. They're just the natural way humans pronounce them. No stress on syllables. In Japanese, consonants don't change based on stress. There is no strong stress like in English. Record. In Japanese, the sound stays the same every time.
Ka is ka, su is su, to is to.
Simple, consistent, predictable. A few sounds to notice. Here are some quick clarifications.
The R line. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro.
It's not an English R or L. It's a soft flap sound. Quick and light.
F info.
Not a strong English F. It's softer, like blowing air gently. G, Z, D, B, P lines. Same as English consonants, but smoother. No harsh vibrations, no extra puff of air. Why this matters for hiragana? Once you understand these consonants, the entire hiragana chart becomes super easy to pronounce. You'll be able to read
ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to
smoothly and confidently, even before memorizing the characters. Congratulations! You now understand the foundation of Japanese consonants. In the next video, you'll combine these consonants with vowels and pronounce the entire hiragana chart easily, naturally, and confidently. See you in the next lesson.